The right play of the clutch is very important for a hassle-free and fun riding experience. If you face issues with gear shifting or pickup of your motorcycle, you should check and adjust the clutch cable. Here is how you can do it. The only tool you will need is a pair of 12 mm spanner. These are available in your toolkit. Along with these, you will also need a ruler for measurement. First, ensure that the motorcycle is in an upright position and on a firm and flat surface. Loosen the clutch cable nut at the clutch cover end by using a 12 mm open-end spanner while holding the clutch nut at the opposite end with the other 12 mm spanner. Tighten the adjuster nut fully at the clutch lever end. Loosen the adjuster nut for 4 full turns. Push the clevis shaft and tighten the clutch cable nuts fully with the 12 mm spanner. Bring the handlebar to the left-hand position and actuate the lever 3 times before any adjustments. Position the measuring scale under the left-hand grip, aligning till the lever ball end. Align the adjuster nut until a free play of 10 to 12 mm is achieved on the left-hand side. Now, bring the handlebar to a straight position and re-examine the free play. It should be between 10 to 16 mm. Tighten the lock nut fully at the clutch lever end. This is a simple process that lets you ride your Royal Enfield without any worry. Always use genuine Royal Enfield clutch cable. Keep riding.